Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your biology skills. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which muscle is responsible for the flexion of the thigh at the hip joint? A. Hamstring. B. Quadriceps. C. Gluteals. And D. Iliopsoas. So the correct option is Iliopsoas. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which protein in the muscle fibers binds to calcium to initiate contraction? A. Actin, B. Myosin, C. Troponin, and D. Tropomyosin. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which bone is located in the upper arm? A. Radius, B. Ulna, C. Humerus, and D. Scapula. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which type of joint is found at the base of the thumb, allowing for a wide range of movement. A. Hinge joint, B. Ball and socket joint, C. Saddle joint, and D. Pivot joint. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which structure on the knee joint helps to absorb shock and distribute weight? A. Ligaments, B. Tendons, C. Meniscus, and D. Bursa. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which bone forms the prominent part of the cheek? A. Maxilla, B. Mandible, C. Zygomatic bone, and D. Temporal bone. So the correct option is, please search it. The next MCQ is which muscle is responsible for the extension of the forearm? A. Bicep brachii, C. Tricep brachii, C. Brachialis, and D. Brachioadalis. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which condition is characterized by a decrease in bone density leading to fragile bones? A. Osteoporosis, B. Osteoarthritis, C. Rheumatoid arthritis, D. gout. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which bone is part of the axial skeleton? A. Femur, B. Tibia, C. Clavicles, and D. Vertebra. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which type of joint is the knee joint classified as? A. Hinge joint, B. Ball and socket joint, C. Pivot joint, and D. Saddle joint. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which muscle group is located at the back of the upper arm? A. Bicep brachii, C. Tricep brachii, D. Brachialis, and D. Deltoid. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which structure on the muscle fiber is the site of calcium ion storage? A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Sarcoplasmic reticulum, and D. Golgi apparatus. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which bone is also known as the breastbone? A. Clavicle, B. Sternum, C. Scapula, and D. Humerus. So the correct option is B. Sternum. The next MCQ is which muscle is involved in the movement of the shoulder blade? A. Trapezius, C. Latissimus dorsi, C. Pectoralis major, and D. Deltoid. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDK MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.